Question is, following data corresponds to an orthogonal turning of a 100 millimeter diameter rod on a lathe. Rake angle 15 degree, uncut chip thickness 0.5 mm, nominal chip thickness after the cut is 1.25 millimeter. The shear angle in degrees for this process is option A 11.36, option B 23.32, option C 33.12 and option D 44.18. इस क्वेश्चन में ऑर्थोगोनल टर्निंग की गई है एक वर्कपीस के ऊपर। तो देख लेते हैं डेटा। सबसे पहले डायमीटर है वर्कपीस का 100 मिलीमीटर, रेक एंगल अल्फा की वैल्यू दी हुई है 15 डिग्री, अनकट चिप थिकनेस दैट इज T1 की वैल्यू दी हुई है 0.5 mm एंड कट चिप थिकनेस दैट इज T2, इसकी वैल्यू दी हुई है 1.25 मिलीमीटर। और क्वेश्चन में शीयर एंगल फाइंड आउट करने के लिए बोला गया है phi इज इक्वल टू इन डिग्रीज शीयर एंगल। So this is shear. So this is shear angle. We have to find out shear angle, and this is rake angle. Rake angle. This is uncut. This is uncut chip thickness. These two quantities are important. Uncut chip thickness. So other one is cut chip thickness. So we know the formula of for shear angle, that is tan phi is equal to r cos alpha divided by 1 minus r sin alpha. So here the value of r we can find out easily. R हमारा होता है chip thickness ratio, and this is the ratio of uncut chip thickness divided by the cut chip thickness, T1 by T2. So our T1 is 0.5 and T2 is 1.25. So when we will solve it, then we will get 0.4, right? So chip thickness ratio will be 0.4. So here we can write 0.4 cos alpha value is given in the question as 15 degree divided by 1 minus 0.4 sin 15 degree. This is tan phi. We have to find out the value of phi. So phi can be written as now. So phi can be written as phi is equal to tan inverse of 0.4 cos 15 degree divided by 1 minus 0.4 sin 15 degree. So the value after the calculation by the help of calculator, we will get the value as 23.32. So 32 degree. So this will be the shear angle in this orthogonal cutting operation. So option B will be the correct answer, 23.32 degree.